Hey there my beautiful audience, welcome once again in One Me School. So in this video I'm gonna show you the best no code game development journey. So you can see that I'm right now in gdevelop dashboards. Actually gdashboard is a no code cross platform that's able to create a game. It's a real game engine, and it's so easy to build ready-made games. So it's also work on your Android device. So let's dive on the picture right now, and you can see that I'm gonna on the build button, and then you can see here some of my ready project like 3D car coin hunter, 3D lemon runner, and many more. So just you can hit on the project and then hit on the open button, and you can see that gdevelop is ready. And then okay, so that I'm gonna build my ready project. Just click on the open button and create project, and you can see that importing our project. That's it. So it's a ready project. Then we can edit here our games, our leaderboard, and try our animation. That's it. You can customize your game yourself, and you can look at the preview button here. It's not too hard, and if you face any problem, you also can watch your own tutorial video on YouTube. So it makes sense to your beginner gaming journey. So that's the video for today. If you like the no-code game development platform gdevelop, press and hit on the subscribe button, and stay tuned with One Me School. Bye bye.